Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Landrip garden furniture covers here. It's possible to get this extra large or tiny small. It is available in 125 to 74 centimeter and up to 350 to 260 and 90 centimeter as shown here. Ooh. It's not only in a square; it's possible in a circle too, as you need, with a round direction of 128 to 71 centimeters possible too. 150 to 70, no prop. 170 to 94 to 70, no prop for it. 180 to 120 to 74, yeah, that's possible. 190 to 80, 200 to 160 and 7. Centimeters. Oh, that's cool. 200, 290, 215, 135, 74 centimeters. And a circle of 230 to 100 centimeter. It's possible. You can choose what you really need. 242 to 182 to 100 centimeter. 250 to 210 to 90 centimeter. 280 to 205 to 105 centimeter. That's cool. And 350 to 160 and 74 centimeter. This is an outdoor garden table covers, rectangular in this version. It's waterproof, anti-UV, heavy duty. It comes with 420D page set for furniture covers. And this is a really cool thing because it's an upgraded heavy-duty waterproof material. It's made from 420D UV resistant and waterproof coating, Oxford fabric. 420D materials is more thicker and durable than the other 210 on the market. It's not easy to tear. This garden table cover protect our patio table from dirt, dust, rain, snow, bird dropping, and so on. The garden furniture cover size is in this case 350 to 260 to 90 centimeter. We can check our furniture dimensions before we proper fit this stuff here. When using the furniture cover, it is recommended that the middle item be lifted up a little bit, such as wooden blocks, which will not produce stagnant water, better waterproof effect, and extend the service life of the furniture cover itself. And this garden furniture covers fits rectangular or oval tables, large enough to cover all kinds of outdoor patio furniture, table, benches, chairs, coffee tables, or other square furnitures. We check our furniture dimensions for proper fit before we order it, okay? And we have elastic ham cord with toggles allows adjustment for a tighter custom fit. Adjustable belted ham with click close straps provide this customized fit with securing our furniture blow off from the wind. And it's really easy to clean. We just rinse it with water. Then we dry it with a dry towel. Easy to be folded too. It comes with a waterproof zipper bag for easy storage and transportation. We can transport it easily. And Landrip designed and develops innovative solutions for better and easier gardening. From solutions for the most every gardening challenges to friendly, knowledgeable advice. They are at the service. They aim to spread the joys and reward of the gardening itself. They come with gardening furniture covers for table and chairs, winter plant covers, automatic watering system. All this is possible with Landrip. We have easy, clean, water-resistant 420D durable Oxford matte fabric here. It's breathable, PVC anti-UV backing. You can see it is rainproof, snowproof, windproof, and UV-proof. That means extra windproof, baby. Each corner has a click-close straps to hold the cover securely in place. And we have a custom-fit design. Elastic ham AGM with a cord lock provides a custom-like fit. And the tape-sealed critical seams detail. It helps prevent water from leaking through the seams. And waterproof material itself. Rain or shine, protect our patio set with this waterproof cover. This comes everything to protect your furnitures over the winter time, for example. That's cool. You have to make it at the fall and you can remove it at the springtime. And then you have every year good and nice shining furnitures for outdoor use. This is the Landrip Gone furniture covers here. Extra large in this case, but you can choose what dimensions you prefer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.